Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm trying something a little different with this 3-in-1 curly wig from HerGivenHair, and I'm actually really excited to show y'all how it blends with my natural hair. This wig can be worn as a half wig, a ponytail, or even a bun, so you already know I had to play around with a few styles. We're going to start with a quick unboxing. I'll show you how it looks after I washed it, and then we're getting into 3 super simple styles that you can literally throw on and go. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is what the hair is looking like after I washed it. Like I said, this is 20 inches. So for the first hairstyle, I will be doing the flip over method. And you really can't go wrong with this hairstyle. It's very beginner friendly and doesn't take a lot of time to do. So I'm sectioning out the front part of my hair for my leave out. And I'm leaving out just enough to help the wig blend really well. Nothing too thick. Just enough to cover the hairline and make it look like it's growing straight from my scalp. I'm taking the rest of my hair in the back and putting it into a low bun, just flat enough so the wig sits right. You really want to make sure your base is smooth because it makes the wig lay a lot more natural, especially when you're doing something like the flip over method where it's all about blending. So as I'm placing the wig on my head, I'm making sure that it's very close to my leave out to make this look as natural as possible. And I'm just positioning the combs on the side of my head and also the back, just making sure that it's really secure. Now that everything is in place, it's now time to define these curls. So I'm spraying it with a little water to bring the curls out. Then I'm going in with the dew mousse. This stuff is perfect for defining curls without making the hair crunchy. And I'm using my detangler brush just to clump the curls a bit and bring everything to life. I'm not going to do my edges with this look because I want it to look a little more natural. And what I like about this wig is how well it blends with my natural texture. If you're someone who doesn't like spending a lot of time styling, this flip over method is going to be your go-to. Now for my leave out, I'm just spraying it with water. I'm using my all-time favorite Aunt Jackie's curling gel. You guys see me use this in most of my videos, and it's absolutely one of my favorites. It never lets me down and defines my curls without making them feel hard or flaky. And it also blends so well with this wig's texture. So I'll just take a little bit and do a little finger twirl to really bring these curls out. that's pretty much it for the flip over method. If y'all can just see how well this hair blends, you really can't tell where my hair stops and the wig starts. The texture matches on point, and because both my hair and the wig are in that brushed out soft curl state, it just melts together. No harsh lines, no weird puffiness, just a natural full look. This is definitely one of those styles that make you feel cute with minimal effort. Throw it on, fluff it up, and go. But now we're going to switch it up a little and get into the second style, which is a half up, half down look. I'm going to take some of the same leave out from the flip over method, blend it with the wig hair, and slick it into a ponytail. So let's get into it. Now we're moving into the second style, half up, half down, which is honestly one of my go-to looks when I want to look put together without doing too much. Since my leave out is already prepped from the first style, I'm just taking that same section and blending it in with a little bit of the wig hair. Now, to make sure that it looks more polished, I'm adding some Eco Styling Gel to the front. This just helps lay everything down and gives that sleek finish. So I am going to define my edges, just a soft swoop, nothing too dramatic, but it really pulls the style together and gives it that cute, effortless vibe. I love the style because it works whether you're dressed up or down, and honestly, the fact that this wig is a 3-in-1, you can really get multiple looks without needing a whole wig collection. So yeah, this one is definitely one of my favorite out the three. The half up, half down just does it for me every time. But we got one more look to go, and that's a good old ponytail. I'm going to show y'all how I work my thick natural hair to get it sleek, then combine it with the wig to make it look full and fluffy. So let's get into it. Okay, so for the last look, we're going with a sleek ponytail. My natural hair is super thick, so I'm doing 2 ponytails and combining them into one so it lays flatter. This is definitely a favorite lazy day style. If I'm heading out the door but still want to look put together, a ponytail will save me every time. Now that my ponytail is done, I'm just sliding that top comb right underneath my ponytail holder. Then the bottom comb goes underneath the base. Then I pull that drawstring tight to lock it all in. Alright y'all, so that wraps up all 3 styles using HerGivenHair 3-in-1 curly wig, and I honestly love how versatile it is. If I had to choose a favorite, I'm definitely going with the half up, half down, but let me know in the comments which style was your favorite. And everything about this hair will be listed in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.